Hi guys, I am Madeline. Welcome to my channel. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Tung has the longest waterfall in Hong Kong. It is located on the north slope of Thai Ocean, the highest mountain in Hong Kong. What I love about this is that you can visit 4 majestic waterfalls in just one hike. The Bottom Falls, Middle Falls, Main Falls, and Scatter Falls. The hike will lead you to Hong Kong's highest peak. The rain just poured out and we are lucky to witness these amazing waterfalls in full flow. Each waterfall boasts its beauty, but I really cannot compare how each one is prettier than the other. Though I like the Bottom Falls more because I enjoyed swimming here, I should say that they are all stunning. So please stay tuned as I share with you how we made our way to get here. Starting from Tai Po Market MTR station, take exit A. Turn left to the underpass and follow the sign to bus 64K. This bus is heading to Yuen Long West and you should get off at Nang Tung Chai stop. From here, there are plenty of signs that will lead you to the waterfalls. Keep safe while having fun. Happy hiking, guys!
It's been 3 days since I've seen you, and I just can't forget, girl, gets worse. I spend all night trying to feel good, trying to forget about you. I can't forget about you. Oh, I can't explain just what you've done to me. It feels like the rain is pouring all over me. You make me feel free. I wanna heart can only take so much before it falls down and hits the ground. I wanna love you, I'm not allowed, 'cause if I hurt you then we'll go down. Oh, I can't
Thanks a lot for
explain just what
watching.
you've done to me.
I am Madeline.